I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Italian pizza. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. You'll want to use 00 flour for that perfect fine texture. Hydrate your dough with 60 to 65% water, then knead it for at least 10 minutes to develop strong gluten. Finally, allow it to ferment slowly in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours. This long fermentation is key to a flavorful, digestible crust. Next, let's craft the perfect sauce and select your toppings. For an authentic taste, use high-quality San Marzano tomatoes, crushed by hand, seasoned simply with salt and fresh basil. Remember, less is more. About 1/4 cup of sauce is ideal for a 10-inch pizza. Choose minimal, fresh ingredients like fresh mozzarella, a few basil leaves, and a drizzle of good olive oil. Simplicity truly highlights the quality of each component. Now for the exciting part, shaping and baking your pizza. Gently stretch the dough by hand, working from the center outwards to preserve those airy pockets in the crust. Avoid using a rolling pin as it flattens the dough and removes air. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or even higher, with a pizza stone or steel inside. Bake your pizza for a very short time, typically 90 seconds to 2 minutes for that perfect char. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and serve your masterpiece. Immediately after baking, drizzle your pizza with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Garnish with a few fresh basil leaves for an aromatic flourish. Allow the pizza to rest for just 1 minute before slicing into 8 generous pieces. Serve it immediately to savor the incredible texture and fresh flavors of your homemade Italian pizza. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.